dictionary defines the word viral as an image, video, piece of information, etc. that is circulated rapidly and widely from one internet user to another. We know what happens when an actual virus goes viral. It spreads pain, sickness, and misery. I think we can all agree that we've had enough of that to last a lifetime. But what if we take the same rapidly spreading nature of something bad and apply it to something good? Could we make the idea of receiving money go viral? What if we created a money virus that rapidly spread joy, freedom, and wealth? We can. We have. Introducing Coop5050, a financial solution 2 decades in the making that was created by the people, for the people. We're talking about a fair and automated money-generating system that can rapidly eliminate your income worries and finally produce the time and financial freedom you've always wanted. If easily and quickly receiving more money in your life sounds exciting, then stick with me for the next few short minutes as I lay out the strategy to your success. First of all, Coop5050 operates using the powerful team crowdfunding model created by its parent company in 2001, and the global crowdfunding market size was $84 billion as of 2018 and growing rapidly every year. To say you're in the right place at the right time with the right opportunity is an understatement. If you've ever struggled in MLM, network marketing, or any business opportunity before, listen up, because this is different. All you need to start living the financial life of your dreams is $100, 2 friends who also have $100, and a willingness to be a team player for 4 days. Sounds crazy, I know, but follow the numbers for a moment. In this example, we use a pay-it-forward strategy to pay for 2 friends to join the $25 level in Coop5050 in 2 days, and then they pay it forward for 2 friends in 2 days. That's it. Those 2 simple acts of kindness, when duplicated, can lead to you receiving $53,100 in the next 32 days and possibly over $285,000 annually forever. Here's how it works. After you get started, during the next 2 days, you choose 2 like-minded people and pay for them to join the $25 wheelhouse. While Coop5050 has 8 donation levels to choose from, $25 is the first donation level where everyone starts. By the way, a wheelhouse is what we call the platform that tracks all the activity. You'll soon realize that this can move very quickly because there are only 6 total positions in a wheelhouse, and the whole team is working to fill them, creating help from above and help from below. Be sure to choose 2 people who will duplicate exactly what you just did. Pay for 2 friends in 2 days. Remember, money loves speed. In total, you only pay 2 $25 donations and 2 software licensing fees. However, you get $25 back because you receive 50% from each of your teammates. Oh yes, this is powerful. We're called Coop5050 because 50% of every donation on your wheelhouse goes to you, no matter who invited them. The next 2 days, your 2 friends pay $25 each for 2 of their friends. After 4 days, you will cycle in the $25 wheelhouse and receive a total of $75. You're automatically re-entered on the $25 and also placed on the $50 wheelhouse. In days 5 through 8, the process continues with each helping 2 join the $25. And you will then cycle in the $25 and $50 wheelhouses, receiving $300. You're automatically re-entered on the $25, $50, and also placed on the $150 wheelhouse. In days 9 through 12, the new members each help 2 join the $25, and you will cycle in the $25, the $50, and $150 wheelhouses, receiving a total of $975. You're automatically re-entered on the $25, $50, $150, and also placed on the $250 wheelhouse. In days 13 through 16, again, each reach 2 that join the $25. You will now cycle in the $25, $50, $150, and $250, receiving a total of $2,400. You're automatically re-entered on each of those wheelhouses and also placed on the $500 wheelhouse. Let me pause for just a moment and bring something to your attention. You're barely 2 weeks into this strategy, you've only taken $25 out of pocket, and already you're receiving thousands of dollars in donations. Woohoo! Okay, let's continue. In days 17 through 20, their 2 and so on will each help 2 join the $25 level, and you will cycle in the $25, $50, $150, $250, $500, and you will receive $5,325. You're again automatically re-entered on each of those wheelhouses and also placed on the $1,000 wheelhouse. In days 21 through 24, the process continues with each new person helping 2 join the $25 wheelhouse, and now you again cycle in the $25, $50, $150, $250, $500, $1,000, and you receive $11,250. You guessed it, you're automatically re-entered on each of those wheelhouses and also placed on the $2,000 wheelhouse. My spidey sense is telling me this is starting to sink in for you, isn't it? In days 25 through 28, the members will each help 2 join the 25, and you will cycle in the 25, 50, 150, 250, 500, 1,000, and $2,000 levels, and you receive $23,175. You're automatically re-entered on each of those wheelhouses and also placed on the $4,000 wheelhouse. In days 29 through 32, you will reach the pinnacle as the members each help 2 join the 25, and you will cycle in the 25, 50, 150, 250, 500, 1,000, $2,000, and $4,000 levels, and you receive $53,100. Now here's the beauty of the Mobius Loop. You're automatically re-entered on all 8 wheelhouses, putting you in a position to receive an unlimited amount of donations every second of every day, possibly forever. And if you only cycle once a month, you will receive over $285,000 a year, but we believe you will do more. Allow me to summarize what just happened, because when the light bulb really goes off, it will probably cause you to lose sleep from excitement. Step 1. Your first 2 days, you paid for 2 friends to join the $25 wheelhouse. Step 2. During your next 2 days, you coached your friends to help 2 friends in 2 days. Step 3. The next days, you can do nothing except find ways to make best use of your donations or help more friends. We all know more people who could use a financial blessing right now. If you do nothing more, you can collect donations daily. We are loving the Co-op5050 lifestyle. Listen, I understand that this strategy and financial potential might be blowing your mind a little, or a lot. But it's important to understand this strategy is based on real math, and we're dealing with the #1 most needed and most versatile commodity in the world: money. 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 Some have a little and some have a lot, but we all want more. We know that's why you're here, and my guess is you're already thinking of a few people just like you that need to be watching this video immediately. Want to know how to never worry about money again? Take action on what you're discovering and then share this video with everyone, like yesterday. You're at the right place at the right time, with the right vehicle to change your financial life. This is an extraordinary time to be alive, when anyone can send and receive donations from across the world with the touch of a button. In fact, that's the other incredible part I forgot to tell you. Co-op5050 offers the world's first private decentralized wallet for sending and receiving donations instantly and securely. You can use 100 cryptocurrencies to get started, making this a totally global crowdfunding activity. Absolutely no one should have to worry about money ever again after watching this video. I know that sounds crazy, but I have personally watched people receive tens of thousands of dollars days after getting started, including me. As we bring this video to a close, here's a few very important things you should know to help you make a decision. Co-op5050 is completely and totally automated. Every re-entry, upgrade, and donation is sent, received, and confirmed automatically when using our proprietary private decentralized wallet. Every donation is split 50-50, thereby blessing 2 people simultaneously. 100% of every donation is sent and received peer-to-peer, so you instantly get your money without any middleman or company taking a cut. This pay-it-forward strategy means you are not doing all the work. By each of us doing our small part of sharing this with 2 people in 2 days, we can all receive a massive windfall of donations coming back to us from a global pool of donors. You can use the donations for anything you want. Start a business, donate to charity, buy a car or house, get out of debt, help someone who's ill, or any other worthy cause of your choosing. You can count on us. We're the experts, so you don't have to be. This is working right now, just like it's been working for 20 years. In fact, we created the world's first online global peer-to-peer money exchange system back in 2001. Since then, over $1 billion has been put in the pockets of people just like you. The world-famous Mobius Loop ensures that you always remain with your team and your team always remains with you. The best way to get started is to get a free third-party cryptocurrency wallet, such as Binance, Blockchain, Coinbase, or any one of the hundreds of available options to fund your account. Don't worry if that freaks you out. Relax. It's easier than setting up a traditional bank account and can be done in just a few minutes. And listen, cryptocurrency is not just the future, it's the now. The sooner you get in the game, the better. We'll help you. And most importantly, this video and this concept has already gone viral, just like we discussed in the beginning. Co-op5050 is currently spreading across the world like the money virus it was destined to become. On behalf of your inviter, I'd like to thank you for your time and interest. What you've just discovered is the beginning of the cooperative income systems, redefined home-based business system. It's fun, it's fair, and it's fast. If you need more money in your life right now and a way to continue receiving funds daily, then Co-op5050 is the answer. Let's wake up your dreams and get busy with it. According to the FTC, the SEC, the ABC, XYZ, and any other three-letter agency, we're required to disclose that all financial references in this video are just examples of what's possible and in no way represent a guarantee of income. All results are based on your personal efforts and the efforts of those you share this with. Your success or failure depends solely on your ability to take action and follow this simple plan.